see, because of this Diwali and some other preoccupation that I got afterwards, now this class of Gita Sara, which I take on Saturday evening 5:30, the next class of this will be on 9th December. As far as Saturday evening Gita Sara class is concerned, the next Saturday evening class is on 9th December. Whereas other classes are concerned, from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow is Diwali. Wish you all happy Diwali. Tomorrow onwards, these classes will not be taken and they will reopen on 3rd December. Saturday class will reopen on 9th December. All Sunday morning and evening classes will reopen on 3rd December. Please make a note of it. As far as my students are concerned, I have sent circular, but there are many who see me, listen to this on YouTube channel. I have no contacts of them. This is for their information. Repeating, Saturday evening, 5:30, Gita Sara, Essence of Gita. Next class is on 9th December, and all Sunday morning and evening classes now will meet on 3rd December. Here's a question. I'll read it. This questioner wants to know more about this method of Anvaya and Vyatireka. The great method in Vedanta and also in Nyaya. Of course, from Nyaya, Tarka, reasoning, Vedanta has accepted it. The question is about this Anvaya and Vyatireka. There are many descriptions and explanations, but all of them don't really seem to satisfy. This question is lingering in my mind since I first came across, the questioner says, when he came first across the first verse of Bhagavata, Janmadhyasya yatonvaya itarata charteshu abhidyam swarat. What is all there? I'm not here. The Anvaya has come. Janmadhyasya anvaya itarata cha swarteshu cha arteshu. First of all, let us be very clear about the meaning of what is Anvaya and what is Vyatireka. Afterwards, we'll see how this method is employed in ascertaining Atma Swarupa, Paramatma Swarupa, or in inference, what is called as Vyapti, or what is called as Sahacharya Niyama, or the rule of invariable coexistence, what they call concomitance. The law or the rule of invariable coexistence, called Vyapti. First, let us see the meaning. Anvaya can mean continuance, continuing. It can mean presence. It can mean connection, sambandha, whereas Vyatireka can mean opposite discontinuance or absence or no sambandha, no connection. Actually speaking, this method is very highly useful in ascertaining the Atma Swarupa. Now let us see. First, let us see in terms of vyapti or invariable coexistence. For example, fire is there, smoke is there. When you observe this, you can come to a conclusion. Wherever there is smoke, invariably fire is there. Yatra yatra dhuma, tatra tatra vanni. Wherever you come across smoke, fire is bound to be there. Therefore, yonder you see smoke, you can infer there is fire even if you are not able to see the fire. And you are right. This is Anumana. And the rule is the coexistence of fire with the smoke. But remember, other way is not possible. Wherever there is fire, there need not be smoke. An iron rod is burning red hot, no smoke. So there is no rule that wherever fire, there is smoke. No, but other way rule is there. Wherever smoke, there is fire. Thus, the presence of smoke helps us to infer the presence of fire, anvaya. But Vyatireka, absence, fire need not necessarily accompany smoke. Fire may accompany smoke, may not accompany smoke. But smoke necessarily accompanies fire. As far as the inference is concerned, Advaya Vyatireka, presence, absence. The more importantly is ascertainment of the Atma Swarupa. In this context, I will come to that shloka of Bhagavata afterwards. Only that Anvaya portion. In Vedanta, 4 types of Anvaya Vyatireka method are given. For you to make you understand this Anvaya Vyatireka, let us take an example. Suppose the Prime Minister of the country is on a tour of all the states. Is a tour of visiting all the states. Whichever state he goes, the chief minister there invariably accompanies the prime minister. There's a protocol. When the prime minister goes to other state from a state, the chief minister of earlier state doesn't go to the next state. What has happened? Anvaya, continuance of prime minister. Vyatireka, discontinuance of the chief minister of earlier state. Understood? Prime minister is in all the states, Anvaya, presence, continuance. Whereas Chief Minister of only that particular state, absence, discontinuance in all other states. Anvaya Vyatirika. Likewise, you take our 3 states of consciousness. Jagrat, waking, Swapna, what is that? Dream, Sushupti, deep sleep. In and through all these, there is the presence or continuance of Chaitanya, pure awareness principle. Anvaya. Vyatireka. The experiences, the experiencer, experiencing embodiment, or the instruments in any two or any one gets avoided, discarded the other. Vyatireka. What gets discarded is not our Swarupa. Because whatever entity I may be, I know I am in the waking, I am in the dream, I am in the sleep. That one continuing entity is me, Chaitanya is me, Anvaya, Vyatireka. Waking state, dream state, deep state get discarded. They are not me. Anvaya Vyatireka helps you to ascertain that Chaitanya is my nature. Like this, I will not go in detail. There are Drik Drishyanvaya Vyatireka, Sakshi Sakshanvaya Vyatireka, Agama Pai Tadavadhi Anavyatireka, Dukhi Parama Premaspada Anavyatireka. There are 4 methods employed and elaborated in a text called Siddhanta Bindu by Madhusudana Saraswati. Siddhanta Bindu is an elaborate commentary on a small text composition called Dasha Shloki by Adi Shankaracharya. Therein, the Siddhanta Bindu, he elaborated this. It is a very detailed topic. I am not going to take now here. By which this method, what is the Atma Swarupa? Seer, seen, discrimination. Sakshi, Saksha, the witnessing principle, and what is witnessed? Anvyatireka. That comes and goes, and that which always is. Anvyatireka. Sorrows and the locus of love. Sorrows come and go. The locus of love always remains. That also means this is by the method of continuance and discontinuance, or presence and absence, connection or no connection. Based on this, Atma Swarupa is established. Coming to this, Janmadhyasya Yatodvayat Itartha. I will tell you one thing, just for advanced information. After this, what is that? Gita Sara, Saturday evening I am taking. After this text is over, I will be teaching what is called as Chatushloki Bhagavata. Entire Bhagavad Purana condensed in 4 verses. 4 verses by none other than Brahmaji. It is in the Bhagavata itself that I am going to teach you. At that time, I will be teaching this first verse of Bhagavata, Janmadhyasya Yatodvayat, etc., in detail. Today, only I am touching a point about the Anvaya in this Janmadhyasya. Here, this first verse is Mangala Acharana, an auspicious beginning by Vedavyasa before writing the Bhagavata Purana and the Daivata, the divinity principle involved here is Paramatma Tattva from its absolute real nature, Nirguna, and also its nature as Ishvara, Saguna, with relation to the Jagat. So, in the first verse, he offers the salutations, namaskaras, to that Paramatma Tattva as it's in its true nature. That is what is that Swarupa Lakshana, and also as its Tatastha Lakshana, means its status in terms of creation, Srishti, etc. First, he does the Swarupa Lakshana, but as far as this Anvaya word is concerned, it is connected to Tatastha Lakshana. It's like this. See, Artheshu. Artheshu means in Akasha, etc. Anvayat, because of presence or continuance of Paramatma Tattva, means that divinity principle, which is where present or continuous in the Srishti creation, beginning from space, air, fire, water, earth, and entire creation made up of these five elements. That entity which is present, which continues in all these, can be only one tattva, Chaitanya tattva, Paramatma tattva, Swarupa. Itarataha, Anvaya verses. What is Anvaya? In and through the creation, the presence of Paramatma as is Sat Tattva, existence principle. Whatever you say is, that existence belongs to Paramatma, Anvaya. Itarataha, that Itarata stands for Vyatireka, absence. How? See, anything in the creation exists, isness, existence is there, no, that's Paramatma. Itarata means those two things which do not exist, their isness is not there. For example, Vandya Putra, the son of a barren woman, is he? Is not. That is not a karya effect of who? Paramatma. Whereas a flower is karya effect of Paramatma. So whatever available as is, that is that belong to Paramatma, that presence is declared. Whatever is not, like that, Narashringa, your horn is not. There is no existence at all. Paramatma is not. Means in and through entire Srishti, which is experienced by us as is. Please know that that isness, Sat aspect, is what denotes Paramatma Tattva. Where are you going to hunt for Paramatma? Right? And wherein, like Vandya Putra, Narashringa, horn of a man. Shashashringa, horn of a rabbit. Or Akasha Kusuma, flower in the sky, not in the flower in the tree, sky. It is not there. It is not Srishti at all. That is one thing. Other way it can be like this. In mud pots of different varieties, having different names, having different utilities, one common denominator is there. What is that? Mud, 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 anvaya, continuous. Whereas in a lump of mud, pots are not there. Vyatireka, absence, discontinuous. Golden ornaments, chain, bangle, necklace, ring, earring. You can call them gold because they are gold. Inherence, continuance, anvaya of gold is there. You melt those ornaments in that gold, no chain, no ring, no bangle, Vyatireka, absence. So that means this establishes cause-effect relationship. Cause is present, cause continues in the effect, whereas effect discontinuous is absent in the cause. So there is no room to get confused. It's only a method. Simply know the meaning of Anvaya Vyatireka. Continuance, Anvaya. Presence, Anvaya. Sambandha, connection, Anvaya. Vyatireka, discontinuance, Vyatireka. Absence, Vyatireka. No connection, Vyatireka. These facts are made use to ascertain our Swarupa and also in inference for Anumana to arrive at a Vyapti Sahacharya Niyama or a law or rule of invariable coexistence. The useful method. So this much enough as far as that Janmadasya. I will teach in detail when I'll be teaching the what is that? Chatushwati Bhagavata. One thing, presently, I am teaching on Sunday evening Mandukya Karika with Bhashya. That text also is nearing completion. Here Gita Sar also is nearing completion. So what I'll do is, I don't know which will, I think Gita Sara will be end first. Then I'll wait till the Mandukya Karika on Sunday evening gets over. And then the Saturday evening 5:30 class, I will shift it to Sunday evening 5:30. Till then, of course, till Gita is over, Saturday evening will continue. Okay. Om. Om. Samasta loka sukino bhavantu. Om. Shanti. Shanti. Shanti.